Hey everybody, this is David back at GameTown here with another unboxing video. This time we are going through the updated 2021 Pokemon Trainers Toolkit. Just got these in stock here at the shop, and the last round with the Dedenne GX and the other alternate arts was super fun. Really excited to see what's inside this one. I haven't actually looked into it yet, so it's a pretty similar formula from last time. You can see they've got their set of symbols, so we got 150 cards, 4 boosters, set of card sleeves, and then the dice and tokens and rule books and everything as well. Blue packaging for the accents on this one instead of the red like last year. Everything you need to build a powerful deck. Same general info from the back too. So it looks like they found their formula that works and they're sticking with it. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy open, and we'll go from there. So, alright. That box looks slick. I'm definitely a fan. Alright, so let's take a peek. We got our set of dice here. We've got black dice with a little bit of that silver glitter, and the blue translucent for the large coin flip die. Pokeball instead of the set symbol this time. Looks good. Alright, we have our poison counter coin, which I'm a big fan that they switched these to the legal coin flip plastics. Let's see, what do we have in here? We've got Vivid Voltage, Sword and Shield base, and 2 Chilling Rain. So nice spread of packs in there. We got our burn coin as well. Rule book. Deck Builder's Guide gives you the whole list of everything. Okay. And then let's take a look here. So, new set of sleeves this time too. I think I personally preferred last year's design a little bit better, but this looks really simplistic, very nice, matches the theme on the box, so all around great call there. And then we've got our sets of cards. This one we've got alternate art Crobat V ×2. We've got some other news. We've got Sabrina and Bryson for that promo. We've got, let's see, Air Balloon, Cheryl, Boss's Orders, Escape Rope, Evolution Incense, Big Charm, Cape of Toughness, Bird Keeper, Leon, Marnie, Metal Saucer, Ordinary Rod, Crushing Hammer, Telescopic Sight, Professor Juniper, Quick Ball, Rare Candy. All of these are 2 copies each so far. Lots of really nice staple trainer cards for the upcoming Sword and Shield standard season. Let's see, Level Ball, Bruno, Switch, Scoop Up Net. We've got both single and rapid strike energies in here. Turbo Patch, Crenus Focus. And we got a promo Miss Magius too. So definitely some goodies in here. Love to see that. And I'm glad that they actually gave promo stars to these two. Sun Moon 245, 246. Interesting that they gave us Sun and Moon promos. Okay. And then let's see. Let's see. Pack of 100 energies. That would be this guy right here. No need to unseal that, because that's just more mess than what we bargained for. Alright. And then the fun part, let's bust these packs open. Let's start with the Sword and Shield base. Okay. Cinderace reverse and a Corviknight. Not bad. Let's see here. Agatha, Rapid Strike. Malamar. Interesting. Ooh. Got the gold rare welcoming lantern. That's really nice. Let's get a closer look at that. That looks slick. All right. It's a nice hit on that one. And one last one with the Vivid Voltage pack here. And the Hollow Dusk Noir. Cancels out special energy. That's a pretty strong ability. Definitely one I would want to play in Standard this coming season. With all the single and multi-strike Pokemon going around, this seems like it could be pretty strong. Alright, so that one's all said and done. Pretty good stuff with those Crobats and these exclusive promos for the box. At least I believe they're box exclusives. Okay. There we go. Yeah, honestly, from what we're seeing in here, lots of good staples in the box. Nice spread of different standard packs, including the Vivid Voltage, which has been pretty hard to track down lately. So definitely happy to see the contents here. This is a great addition to somebody's collection, whether you're just casually collecting and you like all the alternate arts, or if you really want to get into Standard. Honestly, this in addition to the V-Battle and the League Battle decks that they've been coming out with lately, is probably... This is going to be your bread and butter right here, so I'm hoping I'll be able to restock these pretty quickly. Thanks again for watching, everybody. If you liked what you saw here, don't forget to like and subscribe, share the channel with your friends, or feel free to stop out here in Wisconsin, give us a visit. We will always be happy to see any of y'all out here for a game or whatever purchases you might need. So thanks again, and we will see you next video. Take care.